Why would you want to study DevOps online? And there's two parts to that. We've already talked in other places about why you want to study DevOps. So let's look at why you'd want to do it online. Online with companies like Good eLearning, and their course will allow you to learn at your pace. And that means that you can cram it into a long day. It means you can spread it over 4 weeks. You can go at your pace. It's there when you need it. If you get fed up in the middle of a lesson, you can stop and go away. I've had people do that to me in classroom training, but it's not recommended. It works way better in an e-learning environment. What I love when I was learning e-learning environments is that you can actually think, no, I didn't get that, and roll back and do it again. So you can zoom through the parts that you're already aware. And DevOps is a course where you will already know some parts of it well because that's your background. So you don't need to spend so much attention there. There will be other areas you do need to go over. So it particularly lends itself, I think, to the DevOps topic, because it allows you to adjust your level of concentration to the different levels that match your profile. So e-learning's flexibility, I think, is very, very valid indeed for a DevOps environment.